Every time a commercial aircraft weighing hundreds of tons touches down at more than 155 miles per hour, an enormous amount of force is transferred into a single system, the landing gear. This remarkable structure must absorb powerful impacts while keeping the aircraft stable and safe. Behind that reliability lies one of the most demanding manufacturing processes in aerospace engineering. From precision-designed steel components to high-pressure hydraulic systems and aircraft tires built to withstand extreme loads, every part is engineered for decades of service. Today, we take you inside the fascinating manufacturing process of aircraft landing gear. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. The global aircraft landing gear industry is worth billions of dollars and remains one of the most specialized sectors in aerospace manufacturing. Only a handful of companies possess the technology required to build these critical systems. A single landing gear assembly for a wide-body aircraft can weigh more than 30 tons and contain thousands of mechanical, hydraulic, and structural components. These systems must survive tens of thousands of landings while operating with near-perfect reliability. That combination of strength, precision, and durability makes landing gear one of the most technologically advanced systems found on any modern aircraft. The manufacturing journey begins long before metal enters a factory. Engineers, machinists, material specialists, and quality inspectors work together through multiple stages, including digital design, machining, inspection, surface treatment, assembly, and testing. Every step is carefully controlled because even a tiny defect can affect the performance of the entire system. The result is a landing gear capable of supporting hundreds of tons of aircraft weight during thousands of flights. Before production starts, engineers create detailed 3D models of every landing gear component using advanced CAD software. From the main strut and shock absorber to wheel assemblies and braking systems, every part is digitally designed with extraordinary accuracy. Many assembly points require tolerances smaller than the thickness of a human hair. Engineers also simulate landing forces, vibration, and long-term fatigue to ensure the system can safely withstand years of operation. Only after passing extensive digital validation does the design move into manufacturing. From giant steel forgings and precision machine components to high-pressure tires and advanced hydraulic systems, aircraft landing gear represents the peak of aerospace manufacturing. Months of engineering, inspection, assembly, and testing go into creating a system that performs flawlessly in just a few seconds during every landing. Behind each safe touchdown lies an extraordinary combination of material science, precision engineering, and manufacturing expertise. That is how the aerospace industry creates one of the most critical systems on every modern aircraft.